Hello, I'm attorney Francesco Ficky Martinez. Welcome to this YouTube video and to my YouTube channel. If you're viewing this video on my website, I'm happy that you found my website, that you're looking at my blog and seeing hopefully other relevant topics to your questions, to your immigration questions. I have this YouTube video, this YouTube channel that I update regularly on. Additionally, I have a website. My information will be linked below, and also if you can't find your answer here on YouTube, try my website. Give my website a try. I have a search feature in it. I should be showing an animation of how to find the search feature and how to search on my website. If you don't see anything that's relevant to your question, rephrase it. That is it. Here is the video. Thank you for your time. Hello, I'm attorney Francesco Ficky Martinez with Ficky Martinez Law Firm P.L.L.C. I am an immigration attorney with offices in Jacksonville, North Carolina and Fayetteville, North Carolina. Today's question is, how do I change my address with the NVC, the National Visa Center? Now, I have done this how-to video for USCIS in many different respects. USCIS has a change of address form, the AR11, which can be done in both form and online. Additionally, USCIS has the change of address form for the I-864, the Affidavit of Support. That the form number is the I-865, change of address for the I-864. For the NVC, to change your address, there is no specific form, like with the USCIS. The National Visa Center instead requires that an individual send their change of address request to an email address, essentially, as the easiest way, or you can write the NVC. The email address is nvcinquiry@state.gov. It is very simple to send one of these requests to the NVC. If you want to write, you'd have to just write a letter stating the old address, new address, and who's this for. Give the NVC ID number, the NVC case number, the invoice ID number, the names of the petitioner and beneficiary, their date of births, just so the NVC is able to quickly acquire the matter that you're trying to change the address for. Now, with that being said, changing the address with the NVC usually means you have an I-130 that's already approved, and you're at the NVC stage. Usually you've already sent off your documents awaiting approval, waiting for the consulate to schedule an appointment for the immigrant, for the beneficiary, the one that's going to be receiving the green card, or some other visa. If you do the change of address form for the NVC to update the filing, to update where the green card will be sent to, it's also a very good time to update USCIS of the new address for your I-864. I know earlier I was talking about, I've done videos on USCIS filings, the AR11 and the I-865. If you're updating the NVC and you've already submitted an I-864, you should also submit a change of address for the I-865 to USCIS, just so the form that's been sent off to the consulate is updated. Additionally, it would also be wise to make sure the beneficiary, when they go to their immigrant visa interview, that they tell the consular officer, the interviewing officer, that the petitioner's address has changed, that the address where the beneficiary is going to be living has changed, that the address for where to send the green card once the beneficiary has arrived in the U.S. has changed. All those mean the exact same thing, but just to reiterate, just to confirm that the NVC has communicated with the consulate stating that there has been a change of address, that the new address should be on file, that it should be updated, and if it isn't updated, the beneficiary will be able to tell the consular officer the situation, that there is a change of address, and just confirm that everything is up to date, just so there are no complications once the immigrant arrives in the United States, and then you have to do these other immigration filings just to acquire the green card. I hope this answers your question. It was partly an answer, partly a rant, but there are things that have to happen when someone changes the address. You just can't forget about certain things after you move, or when you're about to move. I hope this answers your question. Thank you for your time.